pie. We will need sugar, apple, eggs, yogurt, vanilla, baking powder, and flour. I will add a secret touch at the end. Let's get started. Let's put the eggs and sugar in the bowl and mix them. Now we'll add the flour. Now we'll put the yogurt. Let's add baking soda. Let's grease the pan. Put the pie in the oven for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, cover the pie with the foil and leave it for 10 more minutes. 30 minutes is done. Let's check the pie. It smells tasty and it's very ready. Time for my secret touch. Ice cream.